Welcome to our PortaOne podcast. I'm Oleg Shevtsov, and with me is Dmytro Lavraniuk. Today we discuss key topics for MVNO market disruption in 2024. And it's not about 5G or 6G, I'm afraid.
In this video we'll dive deep into the world of MVNOs, discussing everything you need to know to launch a successful MVNO in 2024. Whether you're an established telecom player exploring new opportunities, or an entrepreneur looking to disrupt the market with your unique business concept, we've got you covered.
Before we jump right in, let's set our objectives for this video. By the end of it, you will learn how to understand what is needed for your successful MVNO launch, explore different types of MVNO and determine which one fits your business model best, gain insights into customer journey and how to create a delightful customer experience required to operate an MVNO successfully. If it sounds like a whole new topics and aspects for you, please bear with us and we will explain it in details.
Alright, let's begin with the essentials. To launch an MVNO successfully, you need three fundamental components. Find your MNO, your reliable partner and provider. It may sound obvious, but you need to evaluate which mobile network operators in your country welcome MVNOs and service providers. You need to approach several different MNOs and MVNEs to find out their terms and conditions, potential pricing, and what is required from you to start. For the models other than thin reseller, you may need billing and service provisioning solution. The backbone of any MVNO is its platform. A feature-rich billing and provisioning platform is essential to manage subscribers, services, and most importantly, help you with charging and monetization.
Sure thing, Dmytro. Charging is a critical aspect for MVNO operation. The platform must support both online and offline charging, depending on the network capabilities. For networks that support online charging, the platform can apply charges live, ensuring real-time data, SMS or voice charging, useful for prepaid services, for example. For other networks where real-time charging is not possible, the platform should process usage details via files or via API.
Exactly! Flexibility in charging capabilities ensures that your MVNO can adapt to various MNO requirements, offering a seamless customer experience while ensuring accurate billing. Additional infrastructure. Apart from the billing solution, an MVNO infrastructure may also include other essential components such as CRM, customer relationship management, KYC, know your customer, payment gateway integration, self-care applications, for example mobile or web apps, help desk, and ticketing systems.
These systems are crucial for providing a holistic customer experience and streamlining business processes. Reliable service providers can build a robust and complete solution by leveraging their industry knowledge and expertise. So instead of reinventing the wheel, MVNOs mostly search for ready-made solutions that support their business processes out of the box.
Many aspiring MVNOs are looking for a plug-and-play solution, hoping it will cover all their needs. However, the reality is that such one-size-fits-all solutions rarely exist. Each MVNO may require integrations between various systems such as CRM with billing, billing with the mobile core, billing with BI, business intelligence, and payment gateways, to name a few.
And it's not something to be discouraged about. Reliable service providers understand those challenges and possess the expertise to design and implement the integration seamlessly, delivering complete and reliable solution.
That's a crucial point, Oleg. MVNOs should partner with a solution provider who has in-depth knowledge of the industry and can offer the software to meet their specific needs. Now that we have the essentials covered, let's explore the types of MVNOs you can consider. In a full MVNO model, the operator has complete control over its services and infrastructure. This means that the MVNO is responsible for owning and operating its core network elements such as home subscriber server, HSS, packet core, voice core, and other network components except the radio network.
Dmytro, can you provide an example of a full infrastructure MVNO?
Sure. A full MVNO example could be a telecom operator that not only leases network resources from an MNO, mobile network operator, but also invests in building its own core network infrastructure. The full MVNO has the flexibility to create tailored service plans, design unique billing structures, and deliver a customized customer experience. An example of a full MVNO is Leica Mobile, which operates its core network elements and provides global mobile services in multiple countries.
Alright, having all mobile core elements is probably expensive. This makes me think that probably not all of the MVNOs are full infrastructure MVNOs. What are the other types of MVNOs that we will most likely see among greenfields in 2024?
In contrast to a full infrastructure MVNO, a thin MVNO relies on the infrastructure and network resources of an existing MNO. This model requires less investment and is more cost-effective, making it an attractive option for businesses with limited capital. Thin MVNOs typically focus on bringing their business concept, brand, distribution channels, or existing customer base to the table. A thin MVNO example could be a retail brand that partners with an established MNO to offer mobile services under its own brand name. The thin MVNO does not own core network elements, but instead relies on the MNO's infrastructure for service delivery. The thin MVNO has more limited control over pricing and services compared to a full MVNO. An example of a thin MVNO is Virgin Mobile, which operates in various countries by collaborating with different MNOs while leveraging its brand and customer base.
So, if you think which model to choose and consider full MVNO, it has more control and ownership over the network infrastructure, pricing and customer experience, of course. It requires a higher initial investment, but offers greater flexibility. On the other hand, thin MVNO relies on existing MVNO infrastructure and can be started with limited resources, so it's a more cost-effective solution and suitable for businesses with established brands and customer bases. Both thin and full MVNOs have advantages and disadvantages and can be successful depending on the business strategy and goals of the mobile operator.
Finally, as a reseller MVNO, you simply resell services from an established MVNO or MNO. It's a quick and straightforward way to enter the market with the lower upfront costs.
Next, after you choose the business model and decide on the investment into the infrastructure, you need to think about the customer journey, because it's really crucial for your MVNO success. From the moment a customer signs up for your services to their ongoing experience, you need to deliver excellence in every stage. So we come to topic number 4, customer journey.
Here, consider the following aspects. Onboarding. Ensure a smooth and straightforward onboarding process, allowing customers to easily sign up, activate their SIMs, and access services. User-friendly web sign-up and self-care portals are essential for this. Service usage. Offer diverse and attractive service plans, keeping in mind the unique needs of your target audience, be it travelers, students, immigrants, or IoT device owners. Provide a seamless user experience across voice, data, and value-added services. eSIM integration. With the growing popularity of eSIM technology, consider offering eSIM support to your customers. This allows for automated sales and service provisioning, making the user experience even smoother. Customer support. Invest in excellent customer support to address queries, resolve issues promptly, and foster customer loyalty. A dedicated support team and a knowledge base can go a long way in creating satisfied customers. Engagement and retention. Engage your customers through personalized offers, loyalty programs, and proactive communication. Retention is key to long-term success. Consider offering add-on services, promotions, or rewards to keep customers engaged and loyal.
Launching an MVNO can be a game changer for your business, providing new revenue streams and opportunities for growth. With careful planning, the right platform and customer-centric approach, you can make a significant impact in the telecom industry. We hope that you found this episode insightful and empowering. By leveraging these recommendations, you can set your path to the MVNO success in 2024 and beyond. So if you already found your MNO and if you want to launch MVNO in 2024, please reach out to us today.
Remember to stay tuned for more valuable content from PortaOne. Until next time, keep innovating and delivering outstanding services to your customers.